Mix or match or combo demonstration on a Clover Mini Gen 3. To get started, we're going to open the app and we're going to try to set up our first discount. So we'll call this one buy 2 and save. Yeah. And we're going to make sure that this is an all day event and that it's always. So if we just say all day event and then recurring and always, it'll fill out everything that's needed to express that it's an all the time thing. Then we have the ability to set up either percentage change, amount, or a combo. So let's just go for the amount first. Let's discount 35 cents, for example. Okay, on the next screen, we're talking about mix or match. And so this has to do with, like if, for example, if you set it on mix, on the next screen, we're going to select a number of items that qualify for this discount. And so mix means that if let's say that you want to trigger on every 2 items, right? So you're triggering discount on every 2 items. And if you have it a mix, then item A and item B together would count as 2 items. That's what mix means. And if you're doing a match, that means that you'd have to scan or select one item twice for it to be counted as 2 items. And so we're going to go ahead and keep it on mix, trigger on every 2 items. And now it's just give us our inventory. Mine isn't that large. But let's just go ahead and select our vodka here. Grey Goose vodka right there. And so here is our, actually let me select vodka and Lucky Strikes. Okay, so we have these 2 items. And I can actually change the order in which they are getting discounted. So whatever's on top is going to get discounted. Apologies, okay? And then we're going to hit save here. Right, so we have this discount, buy 2 and save. And to test it, we're going to go to register app and we're going to grab our vodka. And we're going to grab our vodka again. And there's the discount, right? So if I delete the item, discount is gone. If I put my Lucky Strike in it, the discount will be there because these 2 items can get mixed. And so if we do another Lucky Strike, there's no discount. But if we add one more, there will be. And see how it went on this order. So first it discounted Grey Goose, now it's discounting Lucky Strike. So that's a mix discount that we're triggering right here. So let's go ahead and pause this one and make a copy, right? So we can go ahead and clone it. And now we can just say combo. Party combo. We'll just call this party combo. Okay, and here we're just gonna say that it's an always event. And instead of that right here, we're just gonna switch it to a combo, and then it'll take us to the next screen. And then it's gonna ask us, well, which items do you want to use to build the combo? So let's just go ahead and just keep using these 2 items. And here they are. So it's gonna tell us, all right, so you have a Lucky Strike that costs $9.99 regular, and you have vodka Grey Goose that costs $27.99 regular per one. So you can combo these things, including you can say that a combo is going to count when people buy 2 Lucky Strikes and 1 Grey Goose vodka, so 3 items. And then so instead of $19.98, they're going to pay $18.98 for these 2 items. Okay, and then for Grey Goose vodka, for instead of $27.99 for one item, they're going to pay 25, I don't know, 56, like that, right? And so it tells you regular price for these 3 items is going to be $47.97. Your customers will get it for $44.54. All right, so that's a combo, and I'm gonna go ahead and turn the combo on. Okay, you can turn both of these on, but like for demo purposes, I'm just keeping them separate here. So this one is on. Now we can go to register, just save this order here. And remember, we need 2 Lucky Strikes and we need vodka Grey Goose. And it gives appropriate discounts to bring it to $44.54 right there. So that's a combo build with mix and match. And let's see what else we can do with it. So we're going to pause this one. and clone it. And we're just gonna go and edit it. And this one we're just gonna be Monday off. Actually, no, let's not do that. Let's just do cool discount. Right, I'm running out of ideas here. Cool discount. And let's just keep it like on that same recurring schedule. Always, again, you can make these things run on a certain time on a certain day of the week and repeat certain time at a certain frequency. And so now I'm just gonna do like a percentage, and we're just gonna do 25% off, like that. And we're gonna hit next, and let us do a match, and let's trigger on all items after first 5. Now, what that means is that people will get a discount on every single item when they buy a minimum of 5 items. And while we have 2 items selected, Vodka, Grey Goose, and Lucky Strike, we can even change the order here. So let me go ahead and run this discount. This discount will trigger on all 5 items once 5 items were purchased, but not just any 5 items, but 5 same items, because we're matching, right? So we can go Lucky Strike 4 times and nothing happens. We can go Vodka Grey Goose 4 times and nothing happens. But now if I get either Lucky Strike or Vodka Grey Goose, that discount will trigger on all of those items. Watch, Lucky Strike. All the Lucky Strikes got a discount. If we do Vodka Grey Goose, now Vodka Grey Goose got. And it's because the 5 is matched, and there it is. So there's all kinds of different ways you can set up and trigger your discounts using mix or match or combo, and is now fully capable on Clover Mini Gen 3 here. Thank you.